Hello, welcome to this RBC Mobile App tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to check your credit score using the RBC mobile application. So once you open up RBC, go to the bottom right and press on More. Scroll down until you see Services and then press on Credit Score. From there, you can actually see your credit score, and you can also explore the Credit Reports tab to check the summary, connected credit cards, public records, inquiries, and even manage disputes. Super simple, very straightforward. This is how you can quickly check your credit score through the RBC mobile app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps. Your credit score can affect loan approvals, interest rates, renting apartments, insurance rates, personal loans, credit limits, financial planning, budgeting, long-term savings, risk assessments, and overall financial health. Understanding utilization, payment history, credit mix, inquiries, and reporting cycles can make a big difference.